And then you could do a version of that where instead of doing the cap on both sides, you do just the giant. This one I would call a C-cap turnaround combo using an extension. So it's a C-cap extension turnaround. And I went left and right in the switchback. So this would be the full pattern for the opposite direction, split time, C-cap extension, turnaround, switchback. Jesus Christ. And this is the one that's starting from side opposite left, but you could just do the same thing from side opposite right. The difference between that and the other one is this is a C-cap 180 turnaround. Because you're connecting a 180 to another C-cap, a 180 to another C-cap, a 180 to another C-cap versus a 360 to a C-cap, or a 360 to a C-cap. A 180, 180, 180, then the other way. That also would be super fun as a switchback, doing the 360 and then two 180s, and then the 360 and then two 180s as another of the infinite myriad of possibilities. We just did all of those turns using the in-spin. You could do the same thing using the anti-spin as the transition in the turn. So that's 8 combinations I think we just came up with right there, without even trying. And also that was in split time. You could do it all in same time. You could all do it, and you could do it all in same direction. You could do it same direction, same time, or same direction, split time.